So today my talk is making a choice determines your future. Every day we are faced with a lot of choices, and a lot of us does not know the relationship of choice to our success in life, to our future, and to our happiness. So that is why when we create a choice, sometimes we it gives us a negative response or negative effect. Sometimes we feel disappointment. We feel sometimes an emotions that is so extreme like anger, or even have negative feelings or negative thoughts about something else, or even pain for that matter. So I would say that in order for us not to experience these things, or to avoid experiencing these unwanted things, then it is best to always make the right choice. So what then is a choice? A choice, in short, is an opportunity to create a decision, whether you want to create a decision, this decision A or decision B, or it is also a right. It is our right to be happy. I choose to be happy today, and I choose to be successful. A choice can also be interchangeable with decision. But what is the difference between the two? Decisions are basically all about facts, data, information. But for choice, it is different. It is based from our values. So how strong is our values? Again, our belief and our perception. We are faced with a crossroad when there's a lot of possibilities. There are lots of options for us to take. Are we going to take left, right? Are we going to move forward? Are we going to move backward? So when we have all these possibilities, it starts to get confusing. But we have to try to always think that we have a power to choose. So as the saying goes, everything everything is a reflection of a choice you have made. And if you want a different result, make a different choice. Okay, so when we are faced with scenario, always remember the acronym STOP or STOP, which would signify stop first and take a deep breath, listen to your breathing, and then observe, and then you proceed. So when you proceed, before you proceed, you start to think. You start to think whether, will this help me? Will this choice help me? Will this choice, is this choice the right choice? Or will this benefit others as well? So you have to think whether is this for the good of the many, or is it only for you, or will it harm others? So what you choose at this moment matters a lot. It matters what you choose because it defines what future you will have. So as the saying goes, who I am today is because of the choices I made yesterday. Now, after we create a choice, then we made a decision. Then we reflect afterwards. How do we reflect? We have to reflect such as, was that the right choice? Did I hurt others in the process? How can I do to improve, or how could I do to make things a lot better for the next round? So you have to reflect and analyze carefully what went wrong so you can improve and you can create a better choice next time. So remember, your attitude is not aptitude. It's not your aptitude, but will determine your altitude. Thank you, everyone, and I hope this will enlighten you.
All right. Thank you very much, Nurse Davina. So let me end today. A quote from Graham Brown. Life is about choices. Some we regret, some we're proud of, some will haunt us forever. The message: we are what we chose to be. All right. So make that choice, the right choice. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a nice day.